Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is May 2nd when I'm recording this. Hope you guys are doing well out there. And boy, did we have some activity yesterday in the market. So I got to say, so the market jumped up. We were prepared for that. We actually cashed in all of our shorts yesterday morning, ready for the FOMC, which I hope you guys know that that was a thing. So that is part of why the market did what it did. Part of the narrative is that the market went up because Jerome Powell was saying, hey, no more rate hikes. But then market came back down as they were still kind of dealing with the reality that inflation is still kind of high and that the Fed wasn't going to be lowering rates anytime soon. So we're kind of stuck between this push-pull situation. Anyway, I made a post yesterday. I want to show this to you guys. This was yesterday, 50 minutes before the market closed. I said this, pretty big bounce for the day. We saw the market go up after the FOMC. And I said, I'm just going to let the dust settle because I can't tell where the indexes are going. Basically, after that big move, maybe people are feeling really bullish. Like, all right, come on, let's go take some trades. FOMC is up. And I left. I was like, okay, I'm not going to make any decisions. I'm not making any moves here. It's FOMC day. And I left my desk, told the subscribers I'm out of here. And then little did I know, in the next 30 minutes, the market just rolled over and crashed all the way back down to where it came from that morning. It was pretty crazy. And so I said, hey, so far doing a nice job navigating with our trades, but not every day is clear enough for a trade. I said, let's see what happens tomorrow when the news settles in. So that aged really well because, as I said, look at the market. And actually, I think I'm going to have to come down to the lower time frames. Here's the 15, the 5, and the 2 minute. So this, right in through here, I'll get my pen right up. This was the big move yesterday, all right? So that was after the FOMC. The market kind of, yesterday, Wednesday, so Tuesday, the market really rolled over Tuesday, carried a little bit into Wednesday, but I could tell it was getting a little bit stretched. And it just seemed to me that likely the next move was going to be the upside. Also because look at the Moxie indicator. There's your Moxie price trigger on the 5 minute. You could even see as price was going down, the Moxie indicator kept going up. So there was your positive divergence. So for those of you who like to day trade or look at the market on a lower time frame, Moxie indicator is still great for you. This works really, really well even on the lower time frames for day trading. And you can see here that price started to get over the 2 minute 50 and the 5 minute 50, and then it just shot up. So probably mostly a short-term short squeeze, something like that. And then, as I said, I left right there. And as soon as I left, the market decided, oh, I guess we don't want to be up here. And it rolled right back over and straight back down to where it came. So I'm very happy to be in cash right now because we made our money. And if we look here, let's see, let me show you the trades that we took. So we shorted the semis via going long the SOXS. And the equivalent of it is we shorted here, and we sold half here, and we sold the other half here. I'd say that's pretty good because then you can see we got this huge whipsaw back to the upside, and really we're mostly neutral now. So today just seems like a watch paint dry kind of day. Not sure what's really happening today. I think the market is trying to digest everything that happened yesterday, and also probably trying to digest whatever Jerome Powell said and figure out, okay, what's the next direction? So we did that, and then we even traded UVIX, which is leveraged volatility, and a very, very tiny little trade. It was still how much was this? Like 7, 8%? Yeah, almost 8% that we made. And you know what? That's about all it was worth. So we got in there and we got out there yesterday morning, and thank goodness, because look at this thing. It actually went all the way back down, and now it's just kind of neutral. So we're going to let the dust settle, as I said in my post, and just kind of see where this market wants to go. It's still trying to figure itself out today, and might do the same thing tomorrow. So we're just gonna lay low a little bit. We've had some good trades in through here. As I said in the post, not every day is a tradable day. Even with day trading, not every day is a tradable day. And so happy that we took some really good trades and positions there. Now remember, if you guys are interested, come over here to Moxie Trader, simplertrading.com/Moxie. You can get a $7 trial for 30 days. Hope to see you guys stay. We're having a good time in the market, even though it's been all over the place. We've been navigating it pretty darn well. So definitely hope to see you guys in there. If you're new, be sure to say hi in the chat box, and we'll welcome you. So thanks again, guys, and we'll catch you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.